Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, and Blackout Bingo all offer free ways to play, but free gameplay does not automatically mean you can withdraw cash without meeting the app's eligibility and withdrawal rules. By the end, you'll know 5 bingo apps worth checking if you want real money prizes without making an initial purchase, plus what no purchase required actually means. Bingo Cash takes the first spot. The app separates bonus funds from withdrawable cash and offers competitive bingo tournaments. You can access promotional or free play options without immediately paying for a tournament. Before expecting a cash out, check whether the specific bonus or promotion you're using makes winnings withdrawable. Bingo Clash ranks second. It offers free matches alongside cash competitions. The head-to-head format lets you compete against another player rather than a large bingo room. Avia Games lists PayPal among its withdrawal methods for eligible players. Start with free matches and check the cash game eligibility for your location before depositing. Blackout Bingo comes in third. It uses a speed-based bingo format and offers free games alongside paid tournaments. You can learn the game without purchasing an entry, while cash competitions can require an entry fee. Free play is useful for learning the mechanics, but it doesn't guarantee withdrawable cash. Bingo Tour takes fourth place. This Avia Games title combines bingo with power-ups and competitive events. Its free content lets you play without making a purchase, while cash tournaments are available only to eligible players. Check the current tournament lobby and withdrawal rules before spending anything. Bingo Blish rounds out the list. Avia Games offers free ticket matches as well as cash matches. The free format gives you a way to learn the game before risking an entry fee, while eligible cash winnings can be withdrawn through supported payment methods. The phrase, "no purchase required," needs one clarification. It can mean you don't have to buy anything to start playing. It does not necessarily mean you can withdraw money immediately, because bonuses may have separate conditions and cash tournaments can have entry fees. Before installing any of these apps, check 3 things: whether free play is currently available, whether promotional winnings are withdrawable, and which withdrawal methods are supported in your location. The 5 apps to check are Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, Blackout Bingo, Bingo Tour, and Bingo Blish. Your safest approach is to start with free gameplay, read the promotion terms, and open the withdrawal page before entering any paid competition. That lets you find out what "no purchase required" actually means before you put your own money into the app. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money app rankings.